Hey everyone! Waving hand. Today I'm working on this MIG welder that stopped feeding wire. The wire feed motor just quit working, and instead of replacing it, I decided to repair the original one. I opened the motor, cleaned it up, fixed the brushes, and oiled the bearings, and it came back to life. Wrench. If your welder isn't feeding wire, don't rush to buy a new motor. Most of the time, it's just dust, worn brushes, or bad contact. After the repair, I tested the welder and it works perfectly again. So, if you're into welding, DIY, or electronics repair, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome repair tutorials. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Oncoming fist.